Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am in my living room. I'm giving you a tour of my Christmas decor using the red theme color. I think it is very, very pretty. I hope you are looking forward to seeing it. If you are new to this channel, welcome to the Glam Squad family. Just in case if you missed it, my name is Dalou. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please, if you are into these things, make sure you hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so they can let you know as soon as I upload a new video. And to all of you, my beloved Glam Squad, I hope you are having a great fall. Thank you so much for coming back. I love you all. Don't forget to check your girl out on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Glam Style with Dalou. Guys, I have a big giveaway going on. Every week I'm going to be selecting a winner to receive $25 Amazon gift card until December 22nd. Once I reach 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be selecting 2 other winners to receive 2 decorative books, one a Tom Ford and a Christian Louboutin, value at $103 per book. All you have to do to participate, help me reach my goal of 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. You can do so by sharing this video or any other videos on your social media pages and with your friends and a family member. If you share the link on your social media pages, please tag me at Glam Style with Dalou and click on the link below in the description box to register. And please put a comment below to let me know you are interested. Make sure you are a subscriber, because if you are not a subscriber, you will not be qualified. The first winner will be selected this Friday, November 12th, in the video that's coming out. Therefore, you have to tune in to hear your name call out. Thanks to all of you who have already participated. Good luck to all of you. Alright guys, I'm gonna start by showing you what I have on the sofa. I have these 2 red pillows. They were on my last haul. Please, if you did not get a chance to see the haul, go check them out. They are super, super pretty. Let me give you a close-up. Okay, I love this little gold. Actually, they were the one that inspired me to do the gold and red theme in the living room. These pillowcases, they are super pretty. They are from Amazon. And here I have this pillow. It is from Home Goods. And here you can see the beaded on that side, but I turn it around so I can have this side. So that's what I have. And I have this beautiful pillow. It says Mary. It was on my last haul as well. You guys have to check it out. That's the reason I made the haul, so you guys can check it out. It's very, very pretty. Here the gold and the red is very vibrant in here, but it is really beautiful, so it's really stand out. I really, really like it. Over here in this table is just very, very pretty, super pretty, super glam. I really, really like it. Let me turn off the light so you guys can see it better. Okay, sometimes light take away some glitter and stuff like that. Maybe it was better with the light on. I have some books. The one at the bottom is from Amazon. I have a clam candle from the dollar store sitting in that very beautiful candle holder from Home Goods. Guys, this candle matches the pillow covers to the T. Let me show you guys. You see that? It's ridiculous. Recently, I did a Dollar Tree haul, you guys. You definitely have to check it out. I had shown some really beautiful and glam items. And over here, look at this vase, you guys. It is so pretty. It is so sexy. I love it. I love the shine. This is another item that was on the haul. I'm telling you guys, I did show some really, really beautiful items. If you see I don't tell you where an item came from, it's because it was on the haul, and I really want you guys to check it out. And look at these branches, you guys. Look at them. Do you guys see how pretty they are? Oh my goodness. Unfortunately, I'm not sure the camera is picking them up properly, but they are just so pretty. I got them last year from Happy Lappy. Really, really beautiful. And of course, I had to bring out my super glam lamp. It is from HomeSense. Such a perfect lamp for the holiday season. Now we're gonna go down to the other end table. On the end table, I created a little area for my deers. I did not have a lot of fake snow in the house, so I used Epsom salt instead, and it turned out really, really good. As a matter of fact, I liked it more because the Epsom salt that I'm using is less expensive than fake snow. I had a little bit of fake snow from the dollar store, so I just put it on top of it, and I'm gonna be able to remove it so I can use my Epsom salt again. I bought my Epsom salt from Amazon, super duper affordable. To bring some of the red on the end table, I put some cranberries. I have some pine cones in there with the little snow flake on them, so it's pretty good. Everything goes really, really well together. These are the deers. I have 3 of them. This one is super, super shiny, really, really beautiful. I really like it. I was looking to find a red necklace, but I could not find one, so I just put a bracelet for it, and they are looking super cute. On the love seat, I have 2 red pillows and a glam pillow in between. It's very similar with the big sofa. Just like the other one, this lumbar pillowcase is from Amazon. On this side, I have 2 of my Glam Miwa boxes with a beautiful vase with flowers. I love those flowers. They are super cute. I have 2 sets of flowers in here. Let me show you guys the other one. I really wanted to break the gold and the red a little bit because it is so bright, so that's the reason I had selected these Miwa boxes with this little silver, dark silver design on them. Of course, whenever you do something on one side, you have to try to create something similar on the other one, so this is why I have this silver glam vase. It's more like a mirror silver vase. It is very pretty as well. I got it last year from Home Goods. It is just so pretty and so much glam on this vase, you guys. And I put this little necklace on it. These flowers are really elegant, you guys. They were the same one that were in my dining room. They are from Hobby Lobby. It is really important to carry element from one room to another. It makes the whole house looks very cohesive. They are a darker shade of red than I am using in the room, but it is good because we do not want all bright red color flowers everywhere, so it is a good thing. Over here on the shelves, I don't really do much on the shelves. I just have this clutch, candle clutch from Z Gallery. I added some ornaments with a gold sphere, I don't know, with a gold something, I don't even know how you call this, the ornaments. And I use all of my glam vases. Normally I don't purchase home decor for those shelves. I just use whatever I have around the house, because if I have to purchase home decor, it would be a lot. So this is a big glam vase. It is from Burlington. I'm using that. My Noel sign, I got it last year from Hobby Lobby, and at the bottom I had a little reindeer. One of the horn is missing. Actually, it's broken, not missing. And I put a little bit of red on its neck to bring more red into the shelf. And a glam vase. Guys, these vases, you can only get them most of the time around the Christmas holiday season. So if you are into this thing, you really have to stock up, because after that you don't see these things. On the other shelf, I tried to create something similar, but it can never be the exact same one since it would require a lot of pieces. But I tried to make them the same as possible. As you can see, I have the same clutch on the other side, but this one is a little bit smaller. And going down, another glam vase is a little bit different style, but it is another glam vase. And on the third shelf, the Noel sign on both of them, so that's pretty good. And on the fourth shelf, just like I do for the other one, to bring more red, I have a little tray with some red ornaments, and I have a glam tray. As I mentioned, they are not the same, but very similar. On my DIY vase, I have these branches. They are so pretty. Okay, I just put them in there. If you noticed earlier, you saw me stacking some paper in there to hold the branches, otherwise they would sink down. So that's what I did. It's a great tip. If you have a big vase, put some paper inside of it to hold the flowers a little bit. Okay, on the ornament, I wanted to give them a little bit of love, so I put this throw. Y'all know I'm in love with this throw, so you guys gonna be seeing this throw in every single one of my decor, just because I love it so much. It is just too pretty. So let's talk about what I have in here. In here, I have two garlands. I used two garlands to make the wreath, and I tied them up together like this so they can stay together. Once I finish doing that, I got the garlands from Hobby Lobby. I put all of these beautiful cranberry branches around them, different one. This one is a little bit sparkly. And then I have my little candle holders, like a little star bubbly crystal candle holders, and this one as well. And you guys, look at this baby of mine. It is easily one of my favorite things I have ever purchased for Christmas. Guys, I love this deer. You see how glam? So pretty. Everything about this deer is spectacular. I got it last year from Hobby Lobby. I went back this year hoping I would find another one, but I didn't. I should call it a she. I think she is just so fabulous. Look at her. Okay, and I have 2 corns, a crystal candle holder in the back. So this is how I make my centerpiece on the coffee table. Super simple, super quick. That's it. This is what everything looks like together.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow felt I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away and right around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me, I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day.
Guys, last week I uploaded a video showing all the updates that I did in this room. Please go check it out to see all the information that you're going to need about the wall, the mirror, the paint color, whatever information that you need, you will find it in that video. Link will be in the description box and at the end of this video. If you like today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend and a family member and on your social media pages to help me reach my goal of 50,000 subscribers. Please leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my red and gold Christmas themed decor. I thank you so much for stopping by today. Please do not leave without hitting your subscribe button and turning your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. Also, before you leave, remember to stop by in the description box to register for the giveaway. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. I love you always. Bye-bye.